Getting into breaking inputs as far as the entire NewsClick probe is concerned, it's finally gathering steam. We are learning that the Patiala House court has now allowed Amit Chakravarty, who is the HR head of the news portal NewsClick, to finally turn a prover in this entire case. The court has also granted pardon to him in this case. Remember, as far as Chakravarty is concerned, he had requested the court to allow him to turn a prover, and that has finally happened. For more details, let's quickly go across to Ananya Bhattnagar, who's joining me on the phone line. Ananya, now that the court has allowed him to turn a prover, how will this impact the probe?
Well, definitely, this is a big development when it comes to the NewsClick probe. Remember that NewsClick has been facing, a lot of allegations with regards to receiving Chinese funding for peddling Chinese propaganda through their articles and news articles, and that's exactly what the Delhi Police's special cell is actually probing. And now, in a big development that could be said in this particular investigation, the HR head, the out of the two people arrested in this particular case, the HR head of the company has now, in fact, appeared before the court. He has turned an approver in this particular case. His statements would now be considered that to be of witness, and that is something that could lead to the Delhi Police giving a watertight case against NewsClick, and we might see, that a watertight charge sheet comes out when it comes to the NewsClick case. And very, very categorically, accused turning an approver is something that is always beneficial for the investigation agency, because a lot of facts come out of this of the statements that is given out, because these are people who were actually involved in that particular offense. And if they turn approver, if they start to give out information to the police, this can completely unearth that particular conspiracy which the Delhi Police has been trying to probe for a long time now. Also, what is very, very crucial to note at this point of time is that he, by turning an approver, he will be granted a pardon. There would be lesser sentence whenever this person is actually tried in this particular case. So definitely a big move coming in. The Delhi Police had he had moved an application before a Delhi court. This was the court of Dr. Hardeep Kaur, the Delhi's Patiala House court, and the court has today allowed that application. Now, how a particular person actually turns an approver is that first he moves an application, then he records a submission, in fact a big statement under 164 CRPC. That is a admissible statement when it comes to the law, and that could prove to be a very, very crucial evidence for the Delhi Police. So
absolutely,
how much of it does it help the Delhi Police is something that we can only get to know when the investigation in this case actually proceeds on, and it would be a matter of time to know as to what is revealed after Amit Chakravarty has actually turned
the ED's allegations have been completely very serious, claiming that 75 crore rupees came from China to disrupt the sovereignty of the case. Let's see if the ED will be able to prove this now with the help of the approver. Many thanks to you, Ananya Bhattnagar, for bringing in all those latest details.